Hello and welcome back. This is Steve Boats Coins, and welcome to the channel. Today we have the In the Post series, a continuation of it, and we're at, which one is it? In the Post number 68. We start off with a few stamps that have come off letters and parcels that I've received. Nothing hugely popular, those are nursery rhyme ones. We have one here. I'm not exactly sure what that's supposed to be. It's not very clear on the stamp. And we seem to have a 1917 passenger train of some description in that one. So, not huge things. I did have a philately thing I'm going to show you in a bit. And this is a company I bought it from because it's one from last year, but it's one that's fascinated me for a while because I do like the author that it celebrates, and that's this one here, Terry Pratchett's Discworld. It's 8 stamps which I will go into, and there we have the postcards that go with it. So when I do the actual description and do the video, I will have these particular things to help me along to show you them in a bigger format, at the stamp in a bigger format. I think I'll leave that one to last because it's a bit controversial. Here we go. We have 2 coins that are exactly the same. One is in a blue card, and one is in circulating condition and is in a plastic flap, a plastic folder, and they're both the same coin. They are the 50p from last year's Isle of Man Wildlife series. The one that was going for such a huge amount of money when it first came out. It was the one, when you looked at sets or partial sets, was one of the 2 that was missing, along with the basking shark. I managed to pick up both of these off eBay for a very small amount of money. They weren't huge, I think they're about £4 or £5 each. And they're a lovely coin. I got them because they are fairly rare, from what I've can make out. Whether they'll be massive, whether they'll make me any money or not is open to debate, but I've got 2 of them. I can have one for my collection, certainly, and I could have one for my blue card, which covers the 2 of them, or I could use one as a possible prize in a future giveaway. Excuse me one moment. I beg your pardon. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it as far as that's concerned, but I will be giving a full rundown on this when I do the actual review. Whether I've made up my mind at that point what I'm going to do with it is open to interpretation. Now, this is a slightly controversial one, and it's controversial because a lot of people complain that they can't get hold of these because they don't know anybody who lives in the local area to the mint, anybody who's going to the mint, who could pick one up for them. These are exclusive to the Royal Mint experience. Last year they did all 4, England, Wales, Scotland and Northern Ireland. So far this year they've done the Northern Ireland and the Wales. They did the Wales one first, and this is a Northern Ireland one. The packaging is slightly different to last year. Not a huge amount of difference, but there is a difference. Whether it's by accident or not, but they bought it out just before St David's Day for the Welsh one, and just before St David's Day. St Patrick's Day for the Northern Ireland one. Whether that's by design or good luck, yeah, I wouldn't like to say. I've got a feeling it's more by design. However, as I said, these are controversial because people can't order them. People want them and they can't order them because they're not on the website. They don't go to the mint. They don't know anybody who's near the mint. So the only way they can get them is by a third party, such as eBay. And they tend to jack the price up a little bit. I am very, very lucky in the fact that I have a guy by the name of Bo who has his own channel. And when I do the review of that, I'll make sure his channel details are down in the description. And he very kindly picks them up for me. So, if you've enjoyed this video, can you please give me the thumbs up? If you have, let's see. If you are having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, then I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. I do a minimum of 5 videos a week, normally 6 just recently. And I am hoping to advance my subscriber level. At the moment I have around about 290 subscribers. I think it's actually 289. We're approaching early to mid-March, and I'm looking to try and get 425 by the end of this year. To do that I need your help, and if you believe I deserve it, could you please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Both doing that and also giving me the thumbs up for this video will help my channel out no end. And neither of them cost you any money. But until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you for watching this, and also to stay to the end. And from me, until we do meet up again, bye bye. Ta-da.